When it comes to upgrading your home, choosing the right door is about more than just curb appeal. It's about security, insulation, and longevity. In League City's warm, humid coastal climate, doors face a constant battle against moisture, heat, and salt in the air. The material you choose for your door installation plays a major role in how well it performs over the years. Here's a look at the best door materials for long-lasting installations in League City and how to pick the one that fits your needs best. Fiberglass doors. The durable all-rounder fiberglass doors have become a favorite among League City homeowners for good reason. They are designed to resist warping, rusting, and swelling, issues that are common in humid climates. The composite construction of fiberglass makes it nearly impervious to moisture, while also offering excellent insulation. These doors can be manufactured to mimic the texture and appearance of real wood, providing the same warmth and character without the maintenance headaches. They are also energy efficient, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which helps reduce utility bills. For homeowners who want a balance of style, durability, and low upkeep, fiberglass is a top-tier choice. Steel doors. Built for strength and security, steel doors are a popular choice for those who value security and long-term resilience. Made with a steel outer layer and often filled with insulating foam, these doors can withstand strong impacts and resist cracking or warping. In League City, where occasional tropical storms or heavy rains can occur, steel's durability offers peace of mind. Modern steel doors are coated with protective finishes that prevent rusting and fading even in humid conditions. They're also available in a range of finishes and colors, making them both functional and stylish. For entryways that need enhanced protection, like back doors or garage entries, steel is an excellent option. Solid wood doors. Timeless beauty with proper care. There's no denying the charm and warmth that solid wood doors bring to a home. Their natural grain, rich tones, and classic design make them an attractive choice for traditional and upscale properties in League City. However, because of the region's moisture and heat, wood doors do require regular maintenance. To make them last, homeowners should invest in high-quality hardwoods like mahogany, oak, or teak, and ensure the door is properly sealed and refinished every few years. When maintained properly, a solid wood door can last for decades, offering both aesthetic and structural value to your home. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and weather-resistant aluminum doors are another smart choice for League City homeowners, especially for patio and sliding door installations. They are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and require minimal maintenance. Most aluminum doors come with a protective anodized finish that shields them from oxidation and fading due to the sun's UV rays. While they don't provide as much insulation as fiberglass or wood, they are ideal for areas where weather resistance and a sleek, modern design are priorities. Pairing them with thermal breaks and insulated glass panels can enhance their energy efficiency and make them more suitable for year-round comfort. Vinyl doors. Affordable and energy-efficient vinyl doors are a cost-effective solution that still delivers impressive durability and performance. They are made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, which naturally resists moisture, rot, and corrosion. This makes them ideal for League City's coastal climate. Vinyl doors are also energy efficient thanks to their insulating properties and tight seals. While they don't offer the same high-end appearance as wood or fiberglass, modern vinyl designs come in a variety of colors and finishes that blend well with different architectural styles. Choosing the right material for your home. When selecting the best material for your door installation in League City, consider factors such as your home's location, aesthetic preferences, and maintenance expectations. If you're near the coast, prioritize moisture resistance and corrosion protection. For homeowners who want both elegance and strength, fiberglass and steel doors provide the best long-term return on investment. A professional door installation service can help you evaluate your home's conditions and recommend materials that will offer lasting performance, security, and beauty. By investing in the right door material today, you'll ensure your home stays comfortable, protected, and stylish for years to come.